So, the goal was to make a delicious lox box. Oh, and promote the word delicious.
Bytes and bots.
Just ignore most of the next page because I'm trying to make the slide very real. I used a breadboard, 7 cobalt, 18 wires, but 4 buttons, 4 resistors, Raspberry Pi. And this is my code. Those are the images of the code. I tested it about 20 times. So we see. I will add glue some images of food like most unedible. Just kidding. Play demonstration. No words for the slide because it's awesome. Oh, and this is the image. This is the image. I'm pretty sure I have some problems with the ownership because. Okay, so.
Yes.
Alright, what do I do?
Okay, so.
So this is my lock box. And so if this is what happens, you don't do it. You don't get anything through. And this is if you enter the wrong password. And this is what happens when I type in the correct password. Nothing really happens if you type in the wrong one. It just says open. And look. Oh, it doesn't close. Make this stop. I just simply press another one. It stops it.
Any questions?
Any questions? Yes?
What was the hardest part?
The hardest part is probably the coding. The most annoying part is actually the wiring. I hate wiring. Yes?
What was the easiest part?
Probably testing the password. Testing was the easiest part.
Okay, let's give Phil a round of applause.